You will not believe how this onion, garlic, mashed potatoes gonna taste. So good, y'all. So good. It's gonna make you wanna smack somebody. I cook just about everything. Good Lord. Come on in here, y'all. Come on, come on, come on. Come on in here to Cooking with Sandra Fay. Today, my people, today we are going to have an all-time favorite for Thanksgiving. Really and truly, anytime. Today I am making for you onion, garlic, mashed potatoes. Oh yeah. Who don't like mashed potatoes for Thanksgiving? Christmas, like I said, any holiday really. And I know some of y'all are saying, but you made bacon ranch potato salad last week. You're doing another potato recipe. Yes, I am. Because people eat potato salad for Thanksgiving and they also eat mashed potatoes and gravy. So with all of that said, y'all, with all of that said, come on, let's make this mashed potatoes. Here are the ingredients. We're going to start off with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Not garlic salt, garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of Badia complete seasoning. You can find it in the Spanish section, y'all. If you can't find it, hey, just forget about it. But hey, it's good with it in there. It's up to you. Also, we're going to have 1 stick of butter, real butter, not that fake butter, okay? We don't want you to use margarine, but if that's all you can afford, hey, go for it. That's all I'm going to say. And we're also going to have 1/4 cup of sour cream. Sour cream? Oh no, sour cream. I don't like sour cream. Well, leave it out if you don't like it. But hey, don't be complaining if it don't taste like mine. Also, 1/2 of an onion. Of a medium onion, or you can use a large onion according to how much onions you like. It's up to you. You can't go wrong with onions. And also 1 tablespoon of milk, y'all. 1 tablespoon of milk, whole milk, not no skim milk, not no 2% whole milk, or you can use pet milk. This is pet milk what I have. And you may also need some more milk, so just say 1 tablespoon to start. I also added, salt and pepper if needed. Let me put here salt if needed, pepper if needed, okay? It's up to you. Everybody likes salt in a different way, all right? And we can't forget the star of the show. 3 pounds of potatoes, russet potatoes, or you can use those, what you call them, Yukon yellow potatoes. It's up to you, but they cost more, but russet work just as well. And you may can use red potatoes if that's all you got, okay? Chop it up like this, y'all. Chop it up. Don't cook it whole. Some people tell you to cook it whole, but I don't like to cook it whole because sometimes when you do that, you cut into it, then it's not ready, okay? Don't do that. Don't do it. Cook your potatoes on medium high. And then also, y'all, add a little salt. Bam! Okay? That's about let me see here. Oh, for you people who don't like salt, that's about 1/2 teaspoon. That's all, okay? You don't want any bland potatoes. You don't. You people, you don't. Sometimes you need that potassium in your system. Some of y'all be passing out because you're crazy and don't want to eat no salt. But salt is good for you sometimes. Too much is bad for you. Too much. Oh, I forgot to tell some of y'all who don't know how to cook potatoes. Let it cook for about maybe 12 to 15 minutes. Or you can stick a fork in it just to see if the fork will go through it, okay? That's how you do that. Be sure you let it drain well, people. Drain it so you can smash the heck out of it. Ooh, look at that steam. Now we are going to saute our onion. onions. Remember what I said about a non-stick skillet. Don't use metal in here. Don't let me come looking for you. Don't do it. All right, come on here, y'all. Ain't nothing like butter. Do not have your eye up too high where you're gonna burn your butter. Put your onions in there. Put them in there. All of them. Don't let none of them escape. Don't let them do it. They're gonna try, but don't let them do it. All right. Gonna stir this up. Don't have your eye too high. Maybe what medium setting. My stove has numbers on it, so mine's set at like 6.5, something like that. You want these to get caramelized, translucent where you can see through it. You really don't want to eat crunchy mashed potatoes with onions in it. Don't do that, people. I like to say it. Don't do it. See how my butter is still yellow, it's not brown? If your butter is brown, like I said before, you cooked it too fast. Start over, start over. You should have paid attention. See how the onions look? It's okay for the onions to be a little caramelized and brown, but not your butter. Ooh, that looks great. Okay, I have my potatoes in the bowl. Time to smash them, y'all. Smash them good. I hope you got one of these little things. If you don't, you can use a fork. Small fork, big fork, whatever, but that's more work. So these things are cheap. You can find them at the Dollar Tree, all right? Dollar Tree has a lot of kitchen utensils that's not expensive. I really need a metal one, but this will work just good. It'll work okay. It's all right. I don't mind using plastic. I don't mind. All right, y'all. Now you're gonna start dumping. Look at that goodness. Ooh, wee! Oh, who wouldn't like these onions up in here? Who wouldn't? Goodness. Yeah. Stir it around first. Stir this around. Ooh, it's kind of thick. Ooh, that smells so good. Lord have mercy. Ooh, wee. I think I outdid myself this time, y'all. I really did. If you like more onions, add more onions. I'm gonna add my sour cream. Some people don't like sour cream. If you don't put it in there. That's all I'm gonna say about that. I'm gonna add my milk, my 1 tablespoon of pet milk. You can use whole milk if you don't have pet milk. It don't matter. I'm gonna add my garlic. Ooh, yeah. I'm gonna add my complete seasoning. All right. That's everything. I'm not gonna add salt and pepper yet. I'm not gonna do it because I gotta taste it first to make sure it's right. All right? Don't do that yet now. I can't add pepper because ain't no pepper in here. But you're gonna stir and blend this very well. Very well. Woo, I can't wait to taste this. I guess I didn't smash it enough, y'all. My hands are kind of weak. I have arthritis in my hands, but it almost look like potato salad, but that's all right. But if you need to add more milk, add the milk, all right? If you like yours a little more creamier, add the milk. If you like it stiff, just use the 1 tablespoon. And that's that. Now I'm gonna tell you, this is gonna need some salt. Put in a little at a time, y'all. Maybe about, maybe 1/4 teaspoon. With me, I know how much. Start at 1/4 teaspoon and keep adding till you got enough. That's why I said taste to your taste, okay? Not to my taste. Only you know how much salt you can stand. Only you. Same thing with the pepper. Just add a little at a time. Pinches, okay? Don't be saying, my potatoes is too hot. Well, I told you a pinch at a time. To blame yourself. Don't be blaming Sandra Faye. Don't blame me. I'm gonna add a little bit more milk. Don't add the whole thing, people, because you don't wanna, make it too soupy, sloppy, whatever. See, just a little at a time to get it to the thickness that you want, the creaminess that you want. It's up to you. Ooh, so you say, well, what if I don't want onions? And that's okay if you don't want onions. That's up to you. You know, well, like I said, it's not gonna taste like mine. It's not. You ain't gotta put onions in here. You don't. Okay, a little bit more milk. You can add like 2 more tablespoons. That's why I said tablespoon at a time, people. Tablespoon at a time. Once you have it all mixed up, do a taste test for yourself. Woo, right on point, y'all. Right on point. You will not believe how this onion, garlic, mashed potatoes gonna taste. So good, y'all. So good. It's gonna make you wanna smack somebody. It's time for a taste test, y'all. Look at this onion, garlic, mashed potatoes. Do you see the onions? Those green onions are on there just for decoration, y'all. That's it, decoration. I will eat it though, I will. Okay, let me taste it, y'all. Make sure I get onions in here. Woo wee, good Lord. I don't know why I keep outdoing myself, y'all. This is so good. You're gonna love this with gravy. Like I said, you can put cheese on it if you like, whatever you want to put on top. Now, I didn't make the gravy because I'm sure a lot of y'all know how to make gravy. Well, if not, then go get a package of gravy somewhere and put it on top here. But I'm telling you, it's wonderful. It's wonderful. I mean, you can taste the onions, you can taste the garlic, you can taste the sour cream, just a little bit of sour cream, not a whole lot. But it's wonderful. It's so good to your mouth, y'all. Ooh. Now, I want y'all to let me know how it turned out for you. Put it on down there in the comment section. Let me know if you omitted something. But like I said, though, if you don't cook it the way I do it, don't complain about how it tastes. And watch the salt, people. Watch the salt. Put salt in little at a time, like I said. Don't be just pouring it in there. And also pepper. Maybe some of y'all don't like pepper. You don't want pepper in your mashed potato, but that's up to you. It's up to you, y'all. All right. With all that said, y'all, I hope y'all have a wonderful and blessed Thanksgiving Day. Now, I won't probably cook a recipe next week. I don't know. I may feel like it. Okay. But if I don't, y'all can understand. But thank y'all for coming over here. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And do that for me. And share this video with other people. Do that for me so my channel can grow, y'all. All right? I like cooking. I like cooking. And I hope you like my recipes. Not only like, hopefully, most likely, you're gonna love my recipes. All right. And on that note, y'all, on that note, come back next week to Cooking with Sandra Evans.